Hey everyone, if you've ever had one of those nagging aches that just won't quit, you know exactly how much it can drag you down. Well, today we're going to dive into some super simple but really powerful home remedies that can give you some serious relief using things you probably already have. So let's get right into it. You know that feeling, right? A stiff neck after a long day, maybe a sore back, or those achy joints that just seem to be a part of life? That constant, low-level pain is just draining. It's something we all go through, but listen, the good news is that relief doesn't always have to come from a pharmacy. So, in this explainer, we're going to walk you through 6 practical and super effective solutions you can try right from the comfort of your own home. Let's kick things off with a true classic.
First up, the hot compress. I mean, this is the go-to remedy for a reason. It's especially fantastic when you're dealing with that stubborn muscle stiffness or tightness that just won't let go.
And the beauty of this is just how easy it is. All you need is a hot water bottle or even just a towel soaked in warm water. Apply it to the spot that hurts for about 10 to 15 minutes. If you can do that 2 or 3 times a day, you'll really start to feel the benefits.
So how does it actually work? Well, it's pretty simple. The heat gets the blood flowing to that area, and that helps those tight, angry muscles to just relax. It's a basic principle, but man, it has such a powerful effect on stiffness and pain.
Okay, next up, let's talk about something that feels a little more luxurious, a gentle oil massage. This one is amazing not just for relieving pain, but it's also a great way to improve your circulation.
And again, the process couldn't be more straightforward. Just take a little bit of mustard or coconut oil and warm it up slightly. Now, make sure it's comfortably warm, not hot. Then just take your time and slowly, gently massage it right into the area that's giving you trouble.
You're getting a real 2-for-1 benefit here. The massage itself gets your blood flowing, a lot like the hot compress does, but the warm oil also helps to soothe everything. This makes it an especially fantastic technique for sore and achy joints.
Our third remedy is all about total body relaxation. I'm talking about a warm salt water soak. So if your pain feels like it's all over or you're just feeling generally tense and sore, this is an absolutely wonderful option.
It really couldn't be easier. Just dissolve a generous amount of salt, Epsom salt is famous for this because of its magnesium, into a tub of nice warm water. You can take a full bath, or hey, if it's just your feet and ankles that are hurting, a simple foot soak works just as well.
The reason this works so well is simple but so effective. The warm water itself eases tension, and the minerals in the salt, like that magnesium we mentioned, are well known for helping muscles relax and reducing soreness. It's a really powerful way to let that tension melt away.
Okay, so we've been talking about external remedies. Now let's switch gears to something you can take internally. Let's talk about turmeric milk, which a lot of people call golden milk. This stuff is famous for its anti-inflammatory properties. To make it, you just stir about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder into a glass of warm milk. Simple as that. For the best effect, try drinking this soothing little concoction right before you go to bed. The real magic here comes from a compound in turmeric called curcumin, which is a powerful, natural anti-inflammatory. So by drinking this, you're actually helping your body fight the inflammation that's so often the root cause of pain, right from the inside out. Okay, let's get a little more proactive. Remedy number 5 is all about gentle movement. Now, I know it might sound a little strange to move when you're in pain, but trust me, light exercise is absolutely crucial for managing it and staying flexible. And you don't need to do some intense workout. We're talking about just 10 to 15 minutes of simple stretching when you wake up. That alone can make a huge difference. Gentle yoga poses, like a cobra pose for your back or a mountain pose for your posture, are really great places to start. And it's so important to remember, the goal here isn't about building big muscles. It's all about maintaining your mobility. Regular, gentle movement helps keep your joints lubricated and prevents them from getting all stiff, which, as you know, is often a huge cause of pain.
And for our final remedy, we're going with the most natural source there is, sunlight. This is absolutely essential for your bone health, which is literally the foundation of your entire body. The advice is beautifully simple. Just try to get about 10 to 15 minutes of direct morning sunlight every day. That's it.
It's such a small commitment for such a big payoff.
So why does this matter so much? Well, sunlight helps your body produce vitamin D, and vitamin D is critical for you to be able to absorb calcium, the stuff your bones are made of. So stronger bones mean better support, and you guessed it, they're less likely to ache and hurt.
Okay, so we've covered 6 really great remedies, but, and this is a big but, it is incredibly important to ask this next question. Home remedies are fantastic, but they do have their limits.
And this brings us to a really crucial point of caution. It is so important to know when to stop self-treating and go seek professional advice. Your health is, without a doubt, the #1 priority.
So let's be crystal clear. If your pain is persistent, if it lasts for a long time and just doesn't go away, or if you suspect it might be an underlying condition like arthritis or a vitamin deficiency, these remedies are not a substitute for a doctor's diagnosis. In those cases, you absolutely should seek professional advice.
So, we'll leave you with this final thought. Whether it's trying a gentle stretch, maybe making some of that turmeric milk, or even making that important phone call to your